yesterday when we had gone to buy my wife's phone, I forgot my helmet in my sister-in-law's car. So today I'm gonna have to take out the AGV. This is the AGV K1. It's a beautiful helmet. It's one of my prized possessions. I use this sometimes. I don't use this every time because, you know, I want to maintain its novelty, and the padding is amazing. There is very little wind noise in this once you close the visor, and fantastic, very aerodynamic. So yeah, AGV it is. Let's go for the ride. Today we are going to go to a place called Kotharigarh, which is about 113 kilometers from here. So we have to go via Lonavala and then take a ride at some point to enter Bhimashankar Jyotirling Wildlife Sanctuary. So Kotharigarh is there only, and I've seen some photos on Google. I've never been there before. Can't wait to see it. The view looks good. Are you ready, Moini?
Yes.
Say that wow again. We'll be driving through a forest area. Now wow bolna. What the hell? What is this? I personally believe that the drive should be as interesting as the destination. Let's go for the ride. What time is it?
It's 12.
It's 12 o'clock. Every time we think of leaving early, but we cannot leave before 1 o'clock. So, but anyway, it's not very far off. So, great. Let's go for the ride.
Let's go.
I love the helmet so much that sometimes I just wear it inside the house. So we are at Kumar Water Park, Kumar Resort, Kumar Restaurant, whatever you want to call it. We were very hungry, so we decided to have our lunch here. We always stop here whenever we are at Lonavala.
I want to say one thing, guys. He's a superb rider.
Oh, thank you.
I enjoyed it like anything today. It was so smooth. And really, I didn't realize the time.
And it's also the capability of the bike. I know that I can ride well, I think, and she thinks, but it's also the bike. Duke 390 is a fantastic bike for touring. You just have to know how much your capacity is to ride. The bike can do it.
He was cornering also, but I'll tell you guys, I was scared, but he did it so well.
Yeah, it was fun. So we are 60 kilometers away from Kotharigarh, which is at Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary. So before that, we are going to just have a lunch and then we'll head forward. पनीर का कुछ बोला है और रोटी बोला है. खाना खा के निकलेंगे कोठलीगढ़ के लिए. तो यहाँ से 60 किलोमीटर्स है, तो जाएंगे आराम से जाएंगे. 2 घंटे में पहुँच जाएंगे, 1.5-2 घंटे में, है ना. फोटो निकाल.
हाँ.
खाना कब आएगा यार, बहुत भूख लगी है. सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है, सिर्फ चाय पिया मैंने 1 कप. तुमने तो वो भी नहीं पिया ना.
कुछ भी नहीं
खाया. राइट.
कुछ भी नहीं खाया ना पिया. यम्मी है.
मुझे लगता है कि इसके आगे घाट सेक्शन चालू होने वाला है. द घाट सेक्शन इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आफ्टर दिस. वी आर एट दिस घाट सेक्शन राइट नाउ, a little ahead of Lonavala, and the weather is not very hot, but yeah, it's definitely not cold. And look at the view. The sun is shining bright, but we are not complaining. Alright, chalo. just came from that awesome ride of Bhima Shankar Wildlife Reserve. And we had some coconut water right now. It was so refreshing. It was 5 o'clock just now, but it's quite hot here. It's humid. But the roads were okay. But the ride was good, right?
Yeah,
Through the jungle.
it was good.
The ride
I
was
enjoyed
good.
it,
Yeah, I've never been there before, so it was a different place for us to go and check out. So yeah, so far the ride has been good. Now we are heading back to Lonavala. We'll reach in about 1 hour, and then we'll stop there for chai.
Yes.
Great. All right. So see you on the road. We have stopped for a vada pav and a samosa chai break. Vada pav. And yeah.
Take your time.
Now chai break done. Back to the ride. घाट चालू झालेला आहे बाबा. घाट चालू हो गेला आहे. Beautiful ride. Powerful view. What a powerful peaceful view it is. I enjoy riding my bike so much. Do you, Moini? Do you enjoy riding?
Yes, I do.
Yay. Just look at this view. Oh. So that's hopefully down there where we had a chai and snacks, and below us is the Bombay-Pune highway. Lots of trucks as usual at this time of the day. This is the main chowk of Lonavala, and we've stopped here for some chocolate walnut fudge and chikki, right? Love that chocolate walnut fudge. बहुत टेस्टी रहता है वो. तो चलो खाएंगे, लेके आएंगे कुछ.
चलो, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Your taste?
हाँ, taste yeah, chocolate one. Okay, we are back to Pune finally. So we are at Balewadi High Street just now. A beautiful ride today. पोपोली से राइट टर्न लेके फिर हम बहुत अंदर तक गए जहाँ पे मतलब पूरा जंगल का एरिया था. एंड अभी थोड़ी सी भूख बाकी है, तो ये भूख मिटाने के लिए शायद एक बिरयानी या कुछ खा लेंगे. एंड दैट्स इट, दैट विल बी द एंड ऑफ द डे. तो चलो कुछ खा लेते और फिर घर चलते हैं. That's it for today, guys. This is the end of today's vlog. So that was our ride plus what we ate, where we went. Our day has definitely come to an end now. The bike has performed very well. Has exceeded my expectations with its cruising ability. I'm very happy. I can't wait to take it for longer distances. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.